Hey guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So today I'm going to be talking about this bucket. So there's more to it than just the bucket, but I'll get to that in a second. So if you're a hunter or an ATVer, I got my ATV over here, or just an outside enthusiast, this bucket could come in very handy. This bucket can come in a smaller size as well. It's totally up to you and your preferences. Today we're going to be talking about a poop bucket, essentially. So it's a very nice bucket. You can pick up one of these buckets pretty much anywhere. A Canadian Tire, Home Depot, a Lowe's, pretty much any store, any big box store sells their own types of 5-liter, 5-gallon buckets. And it's nice to have a lid on it too. So I'll just show you what's inside and kind of what we got going on. So I've got a pool noodle. We got toilet paper. I always put it in a bag to try to keep it clean. And of course, the rest of it's going to be filled with some type of garbage bag or any type of bag that would fit around your lid there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to show you real quick how it looks and how it gets all set up, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so you're going to want some type of a bag, small garbage bag, or small garbage bag, or just a bag from a store. So that's it right there. Then after, you're going to get a pool noodle, cut it to the right size. I just put it around, got an estimate, put it around, figure I need to cut it there. Then all you got to do is cut down the middle. As you can see, it's all cut. So once it's cut down the middle, squeeze it on. Sorry guys, I'm just doing this one hand here, so bear with me. This is a very quick setup. There you go. So that's basically it. And then sit down and do your business. So it's really great, so you don't have to just pop a squat in the woods somewhere. The pool noodle adds a lot of comfort. You can sit there for a while if you need to. I think this is a great, inexpensive way. This bucket, I think I saw the receipt recently, and I think the bucket's around $8. Add a lid for $1.50 or $2. Get a pool noodle for another, we'll say $3. And then plastic bags you probably have for your own garbages at home, or if you go to any type of store, they'll give you a plastic bag. So those are basically free. Well, 5 cents now, we'll say. And then just a roll of toilet paper. So that's all you need to get your poop bucket going. It's great, like I said, it's great for any hunting trips. I've taken along hunting with me, and I think it's a great addition. What you can bring, and then everything packs up very nicely in this. So yeah, we'll pack it up and I'll show you kind of what it looks like. We'll go from there. So once you're done, you just take that, put it away into another garbage bag, probably keep it separated. Put everything inside. Everything packs up very nicely. Put the lid on. You can snap it in there if you want. That's about it. So if you like this video or any other videos on my channel, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. Hit that bell for any notifications. And feel free to share my videos with other people just to get it out there. So thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, this is the shit bucket episode, or shitter bucket episode. It's a quick little video. That's how it's done. That's how I made it. the rough price estimates for all that, you could probably build it for I don't know, $15. It's a lot cheaper than going to I don't know, any outdoor stores. I think Canadian Tire, Cabela's, any of those types of stores sell these types of buckets, and usually around $40. And I find this one very comfortable. Sometimes you can catch those on sale for $20 I've seen, so you could build this for roughly $15, and it's comfortable and it will serve its purpose. So again, you can get the smaller buckets if you'd like. Go ahead and get the smaller bucket. I find this is a good sitting height. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks.